I could talk about my own research in the field of pain mechanisms and pain medicine and the kinds of work that we've done as basic researchers to try to help the lives of people suffering from chronic pain. But I don't want to talk about that today with respect to the Naylor report. I really want to talk about my 19-year-old daughter Kelly. She's been fighting Hodgkin's disease for the last year and a half, and during the summer we were told that basically she was resistant to the chemotherapy that she was receiving, and that this was very serious because about 85% of patients are cured of Hodgkin's disease in the first round of chemotherapy. And those that aren't, it's a much more difficult prognosis. There was this development in the last 20 years or so of what I consider now to be a miracle drug, because I saw Kelly being administered this drug, and I call it a drug, but it's not really a drug, and this is why it's important for the Naylor report. It's really something that was developed by basic researchers. These were researchers that were looking at the immune system and how infections cause the bone marrow cells to start producing white blood cells. But basically all her symptoms have gone away, and we're very hopeful that this treatment has allowed her to transition from one of these salvage patients to someone that's basically a survivor. You know, this drug was developed by researchers who were not cancer researchers. They were basic researchers, and it's this kind of research that needs to be supported because often drugs and things that really help Canadians and people across the world are discovered not particularly by targeted research, but by independent research that's sometimes looking at totally different things than what the treatment ends up being useful for.